Choosing the right rice cooker can completely transform the way you cook at home. Whether you're preparing fluffy rice, warm soups, or quick one-pot meals, a reliable cooker saves time and makes every dish more consistent. Today's rice cookers are smarter, faster, and more versatile, making everyday cooking easier than ever. From simple, compact designs to advanced fuzzy logic systems, there's a perfect model for every family size and cooking style. In this video, we're going through the top 5 best rice cookers of this year based on cooking performance, ease of use, features, and overall value. Let's get started. Number 1. AROMA Arc 363NG Rice Cooker. If you want a compact rice cooker that's simple and reliable, the AROMA 3-Cup is a perfect match. This little cooker prepares 3 cups uncooked/6 cups cooked rice, ideal for singles, couples, or small kitchens. It also handles oatmeal, soups, and stews, making it a versatile everyday helper. The auto keep warm kicks in immediately after cooking, so your meals stay warm without burning. With a simple switch operation and a lightweight 1.5 quart design, it's one of the most user-friendly mini cookers available. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER RC506 Rice Cooker. The BLACK+DECKER 6-cup cooker is a great option if you want something a little bigger, yet still affordable. It features a 6-cup cooked capacity, perfect for small families. The non-stick inner bowl is removable for easy cleaning, and it includes a steaming basket, great for vegetables, chicken, and dumplings. With its one-touch start, automatic keep warm, and sturdy build, this model is a reliable, everyday cooker that won't disappoint. Number 3. Elite Gourmet ERC006SS Rice Cooker. If you prefer durability and clean cooking, you'll love the Elite Gourmet ERC006SS, which includes a polished stainless steel inner pot instead of non-stick coating. This makes it healthier, long-lasting, and easy to maintain. It cooks soups, porridge, grains, and more, giving you a lot of flexibility. With a compact 3-cup uncooked capacity and strong build quality, it's a perfect cooker for households looking for both simplicity and durability. Number 4. COMFEE CRS 2010 BS Rice Cooker. For those who want more than just rice, the COMFEE 6-in-1 cooker is a powerful, compact multi-cooker. It functions as a slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, rice cooker, warmer, and oatmeal maker, all in one appliance. With 8 cups cooked capacity, it's great for meal prep and small families. The smart one-touch programs handle brown rice, quinoa, and soups perfectly. Its stainless steel exterior and strong heating system make it both durable and stylish for modern kitchens. Number 5. CUCKOO CR0675FW Rice Cooker. If you want advanced cooking performance, the CUCKOO MeCom Cooker delivers some of the best technology available. It handles 6 cups uncooked/12 cups cooked, ideal for families. With fuzzy logic, it adjusts temperature and pressure automatically for perfect texture every time. You get 13 menu modes, including steam, multi-cook, GABA rice, porridge, and quick cook. The auto-clean function and premium non-stick inner pot make it extremely convenient and long-lasting. CUCKOO is known for reliability, and this model proves why. If you want the simplest and most compact cooker, go for the AROMA 3-Cup. For families on a budget, the BLACK+DECKER 6-Cup is the best everyday choice. If you prefer durability and stainless steel cookware, the Elite Gourmet is the safest pick. And if you want smart features and the best cooking accuracy, the COMFEE and CUCKOO models lead the way. No matter which one you choose, each rice cooker makes meal prep easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Check them out for the latest deals and discounts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen gear reviews.